In the early 1950s, as America embraced modernist ideals and space-age optimism, designers imagined a kitchen that moved with the same fluidity as a carousel. The Kitchen Carousel, first unveiled at the 1953 American Exhibition, was a bold, rotary appliance suite meant to sit at the heart of the domestic landscape. Its form consisted of a central steel column anchored to the floor, encircled by a continuously rotating ring of countertops, stovetops, ovens, and refrigeration bays. Each module was mounted on low-friction bearings, allowing a full 360-degree spin while remaining steady under load. The outer rim featured chrome-plated handles and pastel-tinted glass, echoing the era's love of glossy finishes and bright, hopeful hues. Functionally, the carousel promised a choreography of cooking. The home cook could simply turn the ring to bring any station into ergonomic reach, eliminating back-and-forth traffic. Integrated ganged controls allowed simultaneous activation of multiple burners or the synchronized opening of refrigerator doors as the ring paused. The design also included a built-in waste chute that followed the rotation, channeling scraps to a concealed compost drawer at the base. Although a marvel of mechanical ingenuity, the system required complex motorization, precision engineering, and custom installation, factors that rendered it prohibitive for mass-market production. Aesthetically, the carousel epitomized the mid-century futurist aesthetic. Its symmetrical, circular geometry contrasted with the linear, compartmentalized kitchens common at the time, suggesting a kinetic, almost theatrical environment. The shallow, curvilinear forms evoked the streamlined designs of automobiles and aircraft, while the reflective chrome and pastel enamel surfaces captured the optimism of a post-war society imagining its kitchen as a stage for scientific progress. In practice, the concept remained a compelling illustration of how designers of the 1950s translated the language of rockets and radio into everyday spaces, an ambitious vision that never found a home in the real world.